Civic Awareness Day is a day reserved for all school programming organized by the Hutchins Institute for Social Justice, designed to inspire, inform, and invite us to act with greater care and responsibility for the many communities of which we are a part.
I was honestly really surprised by how cinematic the projects were.
Existing law can be used to protect librarians who are doing their job.
In the days when he was pulling a rental rickshaw, he ran from morning to...
I love social media's many features.
The one that stood out the most for me was Naima's presentation that spoke about social media and its impact.
I really resonated with the presentation that addressed domestic violence because I feel like it's a problem that's really difficult to talk about.
To see your peers create a project like that is uplifting.
It's always so cool to see alums who are like maintaining their bonds that they had here as they go forward.
We're kind of like using the resources and the position of privilege that Lawrenceville is giving us to like advocate for communities that don't necessarily have the resources to advocate for themselves.
Please give them a round of applause.